Hello everyone, this is Abhishek from Data Gyan, and today's topic is LOD expressions, that is level of details expressions. In Tableau, level of detail expressions lets you compute values at the data source level and the visualization level. You can use LOD expressions to express the concepts using simple statements. When you save an LOD expression, Tableau adds it to either the dimensions or the measures area in the data pane. There are several types of LOD expressions, mostly exclude, here, include, and fixed. So in the exclude LOD expressions, it shows a less granular level of expression. And by less granular, it also means that high level of details. That is, less details are shown. In the include LOD expression, it shows a granular level of expression, which means more granular data is shown and very low level of details is shown. And the fixed LOD expression is an entirely different level, and it is also independent level of expression. So moving forward, we have the exclude LOD definition, which states exclude LOD expression, which is one of the Tableau LODs, is executed by removing some of the details from the view when computing the values. In other words, the exclude LOD expression prevents the calculation from using certain dimensions present in the view. And here is the syntax. Remember, the LOD expressions should always be in curly braces. That is second bracket. So we have under curly braces exclude, the type of LOD, followed by in square brackets dimension, followed by a colon, and then our aggregate. Aggregate, which means our calculations. Either we are doing sum or average or minimum or maximum, etc., etc. So what do we mean by granularity? So granularity means it is quite similar to the concept of hierarchy, actually. We have year, which can be broken into months, and then it can be broken into days. So if a data is showing all the three components, it is a granular data, which means it shows more details. The details are granular, grain size level. So moving on to our hands-on experience, I have connected to a data set from Microsoft Excel under which I have the order table. Here's the order table you can see. And moving on to our worksheet. Okay, so I have a clean, clear worksheet. Now I'm going to actually see the category and the subcategory wise sales by using an exclude LOD expression. I will show you. So here's the categories. If we move it to the rows, okay, see all the three categories: furniture, office supplies, technology, and then we have the subcategories. The categories are further divided into all the subcategories. So this is sum of sales. Here it is. So you're going to drag and drop the sum of sales in columns. Yes, in columns actually. So this is a bar graph of all the sum of sales category wise. So I'm going to show the labels actually. Okay. So this is granular data. By granular data means we have the category and it is further divided into subcategories and its sum of sales are shown here. But I want to see only the category wise sales. For that, we use the exclude LOD expressions. In the analysis portion in the toolbar, selecting here, we can create a calculated field where we can write our LOD expressions. Since I already have calculated earlier, I'm going to show you through this edit calculated field. So here's the LOD expression, exclude LOD expression. So I have excluded the subcategory from the total table to see its sum of sales. Let's see how it works. So we're going to drag and drop this here, and we have a subcategory cells. Let's change the color here actually. I'm gonna this one orange. So on the left hand side, we have the sales table, which is a granular data. That is a low level of data because it is showing all the categories and subcategories included sum of sales. And here on the right side, after executing the LOD, I mean exclude LOD expression, we get a higher level of details. That is, this is the sum of sales shown for the overall categories. For the overall categories, I mean the furniture, office supplies, and technology. So this is the actual sum of sales of the categories. And this is the sum of sales by the subcategories and categories included. So in this, we can see this is a more high level detailed data on our right side. So that's it. Now I'm going to show you also in a textual format. Let's see. Let's clear this sheet for once. Okay. And let's set from automatic. Okay, let's select it automatic actually. So we're going to bring the categories here, followed by the subcategories here in the row section, and the sum of sales here. Okay. So we also want to show the exclude LOD. By exclude LOD, I mean the sum of sales for the total categories, for the actual categories, not the subcategories. Let's see, sum of sales. In fact, I'm just gonna write double click it. Oh yes. So that's it basically. What I've shown in the bar graph form, I'm now showing you in the textual form. These are the exclude subcategories. By excluding subcategories, we are considering the only categories. And here we are also considering subcategories and categories. That's it. That is the main concept. That is the, I mean, the basic concept of exclude LOD. So thank you. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your time. Signing off. This is Abhishek Mukherjee from DataGyan. Thank you.